Ang main event ngayong araw laban ng Biñan versus Pangasinan. PBA matchup nila KG Cañaleta versus Vic Manuel. Nagpasiklab sa kanilang shooting.
Canaleta fires a three. It's good. That's the defense of Pajarito. Hermosa, the jumper short, and Canaleta cleans it up.
To develop hanggang sa nagkaroon ng advantage sa ilalim si Big Boy.
Back out to KG. Three-pointer. Yes! As well, really helped him grow into the game immediately. And Vic Manuel asking for it this time against Big Boy. And Vic Manuel ginawang asintahan.
Pero unsportsmanlike foul si KG Cañaleta.
Iba yung icon. Yun, mabigat doon. Hands mo yan.
Classic fade away shot ni Jeff Chan.
Oh! Jeff Chan with a fade away.
Yun.
Ronnie Alonte pinakilig ang crowd sa ginawa.
Vic Manuel, he gets it back and he puts it back in.
Could have been fouled too.
Ronnie Alonte.
At Kenny Roger Rocacurva, nag-ala Michael Jordan.
DMJ. Rocacurva. Rocacurva doing DMJ.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Came off the bench. He's starting tonight. And for Bin.
Canaleta lets it fly. Yes. KG Canaleta.
Well, that was actually good defense on the.
Napoles fires a three. Short. He gets his own miss. Napoles for two. To KG.
Good pass.
That's a three. That's short. Canaleta gets the long rebound, leans in, and he puts it in for two. Lastimosa for three. Good. 5 points para kay 4-on-2 break.
Good pass.
De Gregorio with a jumper. It's good.
Sometimes your eyes can be deceiving.
Collado inside the paint and he banks it in. Alonte will drive. Alonte's layup won't go. Himpayan with a cleanup.
Beautiful.
Mike De Gregorio, King Gortiza, and Mike De Gregorio splits the defense. Kenny Rocacurva, kakapasok lang dito. Rocacurva attacks, too strong. Christian Pajarito will get the roll.
Expects more today from Lastimosa and the addition of Renzo Subido and JJ Pido. Kung mapapansin nyo, listahan ito ng shooters. Si JJ naman, kailangan daw niya ang explosive performance. That's just one of the many things we have yet to see.
Peña Redondo. Back to Subido for three. Good. And it gives Fontanilla the smile.
Post.
Manuel trying to test the defense of Pajarito.
So ito tanong ko sa'yo.
Two players there getting entangled, and it's Michael Mabulak. Here's Fontanilla, bagsak si Gortiza doon. Manuel asking for it this time against Big Boy, and Vic Manuel ginawang asintahan.
For the play to develop hanggang sa nagkaroon ng advantage sa ilalim si Big Boy height-wise. Pero eto, may advantage man.
Four of Pangasinan. Big Boy against Vic Manuel. Big Boy
Putting on a show. These two
Did he
players.
just... Oh, miscue here by Hesed.
Yeah, mishandle. Ito, Rocacurva takes advantage. Parang nilinis yung buong mukha niya. And I understand how he feels.
Mike De Gregorio. What a finish right there. 7, Chan. Free lane. Bounce pass to Maestre. A smart play from my good friend Jeff Chan. Players of Pangasinan. Actually, Mike Wico was just texting him here earlier, and yun nga, tinanong ko siya bakit wala siya.
Pwede nilang ibunot. No? Itong si Jun Marsan, part of their assistant coaches.
Oh! Jeff Chan with a fadeaway.
Yeah. Goal 10.
Gabo. Binigay kay Napoles. De Gregorio, the extra pass. Ian Melencio.
As well.
Tama. Canaleta. Binigay kay Rocacurva. Kenny. Turnaround shot is good. Late on the help was Napoles.
It was in the second season against Makati, I believe. The higher seeded team in the playoffs. But talk about a guy who could...
Napoles gives it up to Gabo. Hesed drives. and sneaks in the layup. What a move by Esed Gabo.
Nandun pa rin.
Alonte on the move. There's Ronnie Alonte. Challenges the defense of Vic Manuel. He gets it back and he puts it back in.
Could have been fouled too.
Ronnie Alonte. And starting him as well really helped him grow into the game immediately. And Vic Manuel knocks down the three.
It's a short look.
Had a good look there. Waray, the push shot, good.
Hernandez, Impayan at KG.
Canaleta fires a three. It's good. Manuel drives. Blocked by Canaleta. Mabulak in trouble. Gabo lets it fly. Hesed puts it in for three.
San Juan,
who lives in the area. Here's Napoles. Atake ni Joe Ray. Wild shot. No good. Roca Curva. Roca Curva! Doing the MJ.
ilista mo na.
Feel more game with 1xBet. The switch in the hands.
All right.
It's Pamboy
Good pass.
to Maestre. That's a three. Mike Maestre. Josh Bautista missing the three. Roca Curva. Turning on the Jets. Manuel gets the steal. De Gregorio is ahead of the pack. And will get the 2 points. Hindi makahabol.
Alam mo, may tinatawag sa buhay si Delphi.
Ano?
Chamba.
Talaga?
Chamba yun.
Hindi chamba yun. Yung galaw ni Jay Culiado.
Hindi.
And Japs Bautista. Bautista on the move. And he lays it in for two. Subido. Oh, nice pass. Maestre. Nag-cut si Pajarito. And that's a great play para sa Binyan.
It's amazing that we pointed out yung ball screen defense ng Binyan. It has been much better tonight. And Subido, right there, really pumped of hitting that shot. 10 players already scoring in the first half. It has been the case still at the end of the...
Subido. No. Rebound ends up with Lastimosa. The jumper short and Canaleta cleans it up.
It's usually post up or pick and pop shots. As Napoles hits a three, that time KG.
Pajarito thought about it. Bigay kay Carlo Lastimosa. Pajarito will fire three. It's good! That's a big shot from Christian Pajarito. And
They've been trailing pretty much the whole game.
nice drop pass. Pajarito. And a bounce back here. Manuel. Tough runner, but no problem para kay muscle man Vic Manuel.
Poor pass.
Gabo. Nice pass to Napoles, who lays it in.
Oh, what a pass. Talk about...
Canaleta with the pick. Kenny. Back out to KG. Three-pointer. Yes!
Well, that play has been the biggest problem. Along with Kenny Roca Curva and Maestre, those three, the highest plus-minus players in this game. And plus, Wyatt is just living on the sideline. He's looking for somebody to sub in and then pinabayaan pa.
Curva, there's a double team. Leads to a 3-on-1 break. Lastimosa putting the icing on the cake here.
Ito ang binalik pa to eh. Malamang pagsasabihan niya itong si Himpayan.
I am not.
Hang time yun.
That is Lastimosa St. Benil Blazers
Oh, hang time
level.
Oh, nabanggit na. Iba yung height. Yun. Mabigat doon. Hands po yan. Ito, a little catch and turn. Ayan, tinamaan kasi si KG. Hindi. Wala na silip. Pero,
The extension.
yung medyo na-extend.
They are well on their way to win number 1. Carlo Lastimosa. A 14.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!